a casual comment from a gentleman in his late 70s, and an artist of national, if not international renown, who had never had a house designed for him, for them, a home, resonated deeply. His excitement and anticipation of the possibilities were palpable, as was the gentle understanding that the time to experience this home was not unlimited, which underscored the precious opportunity the future resident offers the architect. Another insightful, thinking out loud moment was the idea that the building should be designed in a way that it could be embraced by the neighborhood. The goal was to gift the community a beautiful building. Given a triangular plot bordered on two sides by pedestrian traffic, this appeals to many people. There was also a not insignificant brief for an equally significant home, including a basement, elevator, car stacker, and separate studio. This led to the very different personal tastes of the future residents. One prefers high volumes, the other intimate volumes. One is a minimalist, the other is a collector of things, natural, textured with patina, a lover of objects with history, scratches, and marks of a past. The built form directly responds to the place, and the materiality that quietly mimics the color and textures of the park on the northern side was carried through to the interior. Both desire an abundance of natural light while appreciating the play of shadows. They want the interior to flow seamlessly to the exterior while maintaining privacy from passers-by. And there are the trophies of a well-lived life. The books, the art, the furniture, the collections, the objects, the records, the dog, the visiting family, the pots, the pans, the "I can't throw this away," the heirlooms, the trophies. All of these needed a space, a home. All of this on a challenging site, backing onto a park filled with substantial eucalyptus trees and noisy cockatoos. But the design of the music box house was developed to resolve the existing constraints, to provide privacy from the passing parade, while presenting a generous and welcoming aesthetic on all sides. Responding and borrowing, creating vistas from room to room over growing landscaped spaces. Clad in Australian blackbutt timber, the outer shell was designed to develop a patina and age over time, weathering beautifully in response to the environment. Internally, timber was also extensively used to add warmth and a natural connection that responds to the proximity of the untouched landscapes at the rear. With a richness of materials throughout, there is depth through the tactility in each of the inserted elements, and, together with custom joinery, allowing for storage and display, there is a sense of order and compartmentalization that connects the home. And the high-low issue was addressed throughout the entire project. To carefully retain the expression of both owners, the push and pull approach resulted in compromises on both sides for the greater whole. In the end, responding to the place and integrating both of their personalities provided the answer, which is reflected in the resulting home.